12 days ago, Take Profit Trader came out with a new policy, and it had to deal with trade copying. And a lot of traders keep saying, Mike, are you still allowed to copy trade with Take Profit Trader? Well, as you can see right here, I'm currently copy trading 5 accounts. However, in today's video, you want to make sure you are compliant so you don't risk losing your Take Profit Trader accounts. So when I first received an email from Take Profit Trader talking about a new policy dealing with trade copying, I was like, uh-oh, this is going to ruin my plan of having all these funded accounts. Well, if we come right up here where it says knowledge base, and you go right there to FAQ, and then right here where it says trade copy policy. Now we can see right here at the top, 12 days ago, this was updated. And when I first started reading it, I was like, uh-oh, hopefully I'm not going to be in trouble. But what it goes on to say is Take Profit Trader permits the use of copiers solely for managing accounts owned and controlled by you. So if you own all the accounts that you're copy trading, it's not going to be a big deal. However, if you're signing up to some trade copying service where you think they're going to pass the evaluation for you and make you loads of money, well, that is not going to be allowed, and nor do I think it should be. Trade copiers may not be used directly or indirectly to coordinate trading activity between different users, identities, or accounts in violation of the independent trade execution policy. Now, if you want to click on that real quick, it'll tell you all about independent trading. Now, one of the rules, no bots or algos. Number 2, maximum position size. 3, comply with CME rules. 4, independent trading requirements. Number 5, no counter position trading. Number 6, trade approved products during approved times. So all those rules aren't that bad, but let's go ahead and look at what's most important. Which copiers are actually approved? You can see right here, the following trade copiers are approved for use. One's going to be Trade Syncer. The other one is Trade Copier. Affordable Indicators, which is the trade copier I use. Now, I do want to let you guys know, if you guys want to check out that trade copier, go right there to propermike.com. Also leave a link in the description box down below. Then go right where it says tools. And if you simply click right here under buy now and you use code Mike, you'll get a cheaper price than what you actually see on Affordable Indicators website. And don't forget, at propermike.com, you can always search by the firms or by the challenges. For instance, let's say you want a $75,000 account. Well, Take Profit Trader is one of the only prop firms out there still offering a $75K account. And you simply copy my promo code PFM, go right there where it says get funded. It'll take you to the website. And if you want to learn more about Take Profit Trader, simply click on Take Profit Trader. You can see a lot of the rules right there, but scroll on down. You see all the evaluation rules, hard breach rules, excluded countries, and the funded rules in one simple location. And again, if you guys want to check out the website, propermike.com. Now, other trade copiers that can also be used: Replikanto Flow Bots, Compliance Edition only, and platform native copiers like Tradeovate, NinjaTrader, MotiveWave, or Quant Towers copiers. Now, use of unapproved trade copiers, modified versions, or non-compliant editions or copier-based services may result in enforcement actions. Take Profit Trader reserves the rights to verify compliance and modify the list of approved trade copiers at any time. Now, if you are trading with Replikanto, Replikanto is approved only when used in its designated compliance edition. Use of standard, modified, or non-compliant versions of Replikanto is not permitted. And what it also goes on to say is this requirement aligns with the CME Group compliance standards. Now, so again, a quick breakdown real quick. We can copy trades across our own accounts. However, if you want your friend to trade or you want to trade with a group of other people, that's not going to be permitted. Manage multiple accounts as part of individual trading strategy. Hey, no problem. Improve execution efficiency across your own accounts. Not a problem. However, what is prohibited: copying or synchronized trades between different users or identities. And keep in mind, guys, it's very easy for a prop firm to basically run a check on the back end and look at how many traders were placing the same exact trade at the same exact time. It wouldn't be that hard to go ahead and find out. Coordinated executions across accounts not owned and controlled by you. Well, that's not going to be allowed. Entering opposing or offsetting position designed to reduce, transfer, or neutralize risk, not allowed. Participate in past service payout services or trading schemes. Now, I don't know why anybody would want to go ahead, pay for an evaluation, and then pay for somebody else to go ahead and pass it for you. That just does not even make sense for me, but I know there's people out there that do it. Also, you're not allowed to attempt to circumvent the independent trade execution policy. Let's talk about the enforcement real quick. Take Profit Trader monitors execution data and account behavior for signs of coordinated or non-independent trading activity. Well, violations may result in profit forfeiture, account reset or liquidation, account closure, permanent ban from Take Profit Trader. Now, let's think about this real quick. Is that really bad on Take Profit Trader to go ahead and implement these rules? No, they got to protect the firm. And to be honest with you, I want Take Profit Trader to stay around for a long time so I can continue to get payouts from my funded accounts. Let me know in the comment section down below, do you guys have a problem with any of these rules? And don't forget, right now you can get any account with Take Profit Trader 40% off. Use the link in the description box down below. And if you want to learn how to defeat Take Profit Trader's intraday drawdown, then you want to make sure to watch this next video right here.